Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's unboxing is actually going to be one of my favorite makeup subscriptions. This is an indie subscription box, so it's not going to be one of those where you're like finding Tarte, Too Faced, all those types of things. I will tell you, this box isn't for everybody. It is for me. It is definitely for me. I've loved it since the beginning, but I like makeup that has color to it. I like lashes that just make me live my best life, and just, I don't know. So I like the really girly girl stuff that I'm not afraid to try and play with colors and do the vibrant lashes. And so this box right here, this one right here, and it's teal, which I love teal, but this box gives me my life every single month. So if you're somebody like me who likes to have fun with makeup and likes colors and likes lashes, stay tuned because this box is for you. We're going to get into this. Okay, and one of my favorite things about it, there's two sizes. So they've got the smaller size that's $13.99, and I believe it's 3 to 5 full-size products. I get the bigger one. This is the bigger box, so it's only $18.99. So it's $5 more, and I get 5 to 7 full-size products. So stick around, check it out, see what I got in this box. And y'all tell me in the comments below, do y'all like it? Is it your type of thing? I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And while you're here, if you're new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. I'm not going anywhere, so I hope you don't either. Please also hit that like button, the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. And let's get into this. Again, this box always makes me happy. And I don't make anything off of it. It just makes me happy. So I'm going to link them in the description below. If you want to sign up, sign up. If you don't, don't. It's not going to hurt me any, honey. I'm just here to report the news. I love it. Okay, so this is the first item I see in there. Let me see if they give me a card. There's no card this time. Oh, well, I don't need it. We can improvise. All right, so here it is. This is by J-Cat Beauty. It says matte makeup setting spray in wildflowers, I guess is the scent. That's pretty cute. And I actually forgot to put setting spray on today, so we can test it out. But wildflowers is kind of different. It smells fresh. It's not overwhelming with like floral, because I don't know. I think floral a lot of times is very old lady. So wildflowers actually has just a fresh scent. I like it. Okay, so that's J-Cat Beauty. That's item number 1. I always get an eyeshadow palette in this subscription, and I always get a pair of lashes. That right there is sold and sold for me. For $18.99, an eyeshadow palette every month, and lashes that are bomb, like bomb. They've never given me boring lashes. They're always like, oh, I can't wait to put those on. So here's my lashes this month. So these are by Zola Lashes. Look at those. Oh, they're so pretty. I love this subscription. So it says Zola Lashes Premium 3D Mink Lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And you can get them at zolalash.com. But I love them. So pretty. They've never given me an ugly pair. I swear, they haven't. I love it. All right, so here's the next item that's in here. All right, so this is by Galactic Matte Lip Paint Duo. And let's see, does it tell me a shade? Blossom Sweet. So were we going for flowers? Were we going for flowers glow at it? Was that what it was? Okay, so anyway, I love this subscription. How cute! So it's 2 different shades. And me, I would mix these. Like, I definitely would. But I like them. They're pretty. So this one on the end is Blossom. And this one is Sweet. What do y'all think of that? They're pretty colors, too. Okay. I'm happy with my box. I'm so simple. But $18.99, guys, come on. $18.99. Can't beat it. Full size, can't beat it. All right. So then I got some glittery stuff. So it says this is by Mermaid and it's golden pearl. So it's basically a vial full of shininess for you to use on your body and face. And there's like gold flecks in here. And there's also the iridescent white. So I guess you can play around and just do different looks. But this is called golden pearl. It's really cute. So I like to keep stuff like this for maybe like a Halloween look, or even to give to my oldest daughter because she is a club queen. She likes to go to the club. So stuff like this is really fun, but I don't mind getting it. Again, this is a fun box for me. I enjoy it. So that's what that looks like. Then I got a sheet mask. This is what it looks like. So basically like a ice cream. How cute. It says icing sweet bar sheet mask watermelon. Yummy. So yeah, the scent is watermelon. So it's going in my sheet mask collection. And it looks like the company is Apleu. A''Pleu. But that's cute. It's cute. It's cute. All right. So the next and last item in here is my palette. So what is my palette of the month, you ask? Here we go. Let's check it out. So it's called Emerald by Beauty Creations. This is cute. And it does have a mirror, so I'm going to fold that back. And these are the colors that are in here. So this is really pretty. I like them a lot. This definitely gives me fall vibes. Like, I feel like I could use every single one of those colors as a fall look. But I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments below. Do y'all think this is a pretty palette? I do. Like I said, they never let me down. Like every single palette they give me, I'm like, I could work with that. I could do something with that. That's really cute. I love mustardy shades like this and these oranges for eyeshadow looks. They're very pretty to me. So anyway, that is the Glow Addict Beauty Box. Again, this is the full size. I got a palette. Oh, yes, that just happened. I got a palette. I got this lippy that has 2 different shades, one on each side. I got these gorgeous lashes. I got this cute little, like, it's not really a body glitter. What do they call this? I guess body foil, but it's gold and like this iridescent white that's in there. So that's really cute. And they give you a lot of it. I got this sheet mask, watermelon sheet mask. And I got a new setting spray, again by J-Cat Beauty. And the scent was Wildflowers. I put it on. I don't have any spotting or anything on my face like some setting sprays do. But anyway, all of that for $18.99. Oh, and let me also tell you, if you sign up for this subscription, guys, they always come like at the beginning of the month. So you're not waiting around like you are with some subscriptions. I'm not going to drop any names. But this one, they get it to you on time. So I definitely recommend checking them out. They are in the description box below as we speak. So if you want to sign up, sign up. If you don't, your girl's still going to keep getting it, still loving it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget you can't spell original without Gina. Love you. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!